up, Crypto Warriors? It's Ultra Crypto back at it again. It is Sunday, February 7th, 2021. Let's get it. Everything is in the red. Not everything. I take that back. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're taking a cooling off period right now. Over the past 24 hours, they're trading sideways, but towards the red. Bitcoin down 1%. ETH down 2.4%. And Cardano, look at that. Cardano is now the number 3 crypto because I do not count Tether. Cardano is the number 3 crypto. And wow, this is the first time it's been this high ever as far as, I guess, market cap is concerned. But it's up 21% over the past 24 hours and 75% over the past week. And XRP is trading sideways again towards the red. So is Polkadot, still up over the week though. Binance Coin still up. Litecoin trading down a little bit. Chainlink as well, and Bitcoin Cash. Stellar is up, and Doge is still up from that Elon pump. We have Uniswap that's basically cooling down a bit, and so is Aave and Wrapped Bitcoin. Let's get into it. So we still have plenty of time left in this bull market. According to Block Towers, Capital CIO estimates that another 9 to 22 months of bull run for crypto is left. That puts us at anywhere between November of this year, November of 2021, happy birthday to me, November of 2021, and December of 2022. That is a long time period for there to be still a bull run, so to speak. And so that's what he tweeted out on February 4th. This is where we get ongoing dizzying rotation. Bitcoin up, and then when Bitcoin takes a breather, ETH and some large caps, and in this regime, DeFi blue chips, then small caps, rinse and repeat. We're seeing that happen right now, taking place right now when I just looked at CoinGecko. Of course, throw in some 30 to 60% retracements for fun. And that's what's been happening. If you are not familiar with the crypto cycles, get familiar with it, do your research, and find out more. But according to this guy, we still have 9 to 22 months left. I hope it's on the longer end at 22 months. Because that would put us at closer to a 400K Bitcoin, according to him. Next, I reported on this either yesterday or the day before. Nigeria crypto ban will drive users to peer-to-peer exchanges, say experts. Nigeria's central bank yesterday cracked down on cryptocurrency. The status of Africa's Bitcoin nation now faces an uncertain future. It doesn't face an uncertain future because, like the states right here, they're going to go peer-to-peer. And there's nothing wrong with going peer-to-peer because that's exactly what Bitcoin was made for it to be used peer-to-peer without the need for a central party or a third party involved. Just two people doing business like it was meant to be. All right, that's what capitalism is. Two people doing business and they're exchanging service or goods for, in this case, Bitcoin. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't need a bank to help us. Don't need a bank or a centralized exchange to get involved. Just two people doing business. And that's what Bitcoin is made for. And the reason why they call it the Bitcoin Africa's Bitcoin nation is because, just like in my video where I talk about it, I showed that on Google Trends, Nigeria has the most search for Bitcoin worldwide. Not just on the continent of Africa, but worldwide. Nigeria is the number one search trend on Google for Bitcoin. Next, Bill Miller's trust to invest up to $300 million in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. The trust wants to channel up to 15% of its assets into Bitcoin. It's a little bit more than 300 million because it's $2.25 billion, and they want to put 15% of that in there. That's more like $330 million. But you know, what's a few million between friends, right? But we're seeing, I highlighted this 15% because we're seeing the narrative change. Years ago, it was, even just last year, it was put 1 to 2% of your assets into Bitcoin. Now they're saying now we're seeing them put 10 to 15%. And in the case of MicroStrategy, all of it, 100% of their cash into Bitcoin, because they know that with the continuous currency printing, that is only going to benefit Bitcoin in the long run. So again, good news, great news for Bitcoin adoption. And yeah, next, this is the best story that I have for you guys today. A German man is keeping $60 million in Bitcoin from police by never revealing his password. So this dude, he gets arrested for secretly mining Bitcoin on other people's computers, and I guess his company's computers. Gets arrested. He served his time. Now he has he has access to $60 million worth of Bitcoin. They have the police. When I say they have the hardware, but they don't have his private keys. They will not get access to his private keys because he's not giving it up. That's why Bitcoin is awesome, because it is unconfiscatable. Police in Germany have seized more than 50 million euros or $60 million in Bitcoin, but they can't access any of it because, as Reuters reports, the person they took it from won't tell them his password. So, I mean, again, that's what Bitcoin is for. It's unconfiscatable money. You're protecting your wealth. If people do not understand this, then they never will. If you're just here to try to trade Bitcoin and get those quote unquote gains, I made 30% on the money I invested, you're still not understanding what Bitcoin is for. It is the first unconfiscatable asset ever, where you as an individual are in total control of your own assets, in total control of your own money. No one can take it from you unless they're torturing you to give it up, and even then, you still don't have to give it up. This guy went to jail and he's not coughing it up. Good on him. Good on this person right here. He's not coughing it up because guess what? He served his time already. Now he could just leave the country, and he has access to $60 million. He could go chill on some island somewhere, and they won't even be able to get it from him. So there you have it. But this one right here, online sleuths believe Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin stash is a blockchain treasure hunt meant to be found. So the Bitcoin wallets that Satoshi was using, people are believing that it was meant for us to decode it and find the private keys and get access to up to 1 million Bitcoin. Over the last 12 years, the cryptocurrency community has always been intrigued by Bitcoin's inventor, Satoshi Nakamoto. For over a decade, armchair sleuths and journalists have tried to uncover the creator's identity and information on the whereabouts of all the Bitcoins the Enigma mined when the Bitcoin network was still in its infancy. Now, a few individuals believe Satoshi's coins may be the greatest prize competition ever, and the private keys are somehow hidden within the blockchain. If you believe that, then I suggest you start doing your research and try to figure out these private keys. They get deep into it with the researcher researching the original blocks that were from the Genesis block, which was the first block that was mined on the Bitcoin blockchain, to I guess blocks within a year or two of the Genesis block. And people are actually studying the blockchain and studying those original blocks that were mined, trying to see if the private keys are hidden in the blockchain, hidden within messages on the blockchain. All right, so it is well known that Nakamoto mined Bitcoin, and it is estimated that the cryptocurrency creator may have acquired roughly 750,000 to 1.1 million Bitcoin, as Bitcoin.com has written about Satoshi's stash on a myriad of occasions, including April 17th. All right, there you have it. What do you think? Do you think that Satoshi's wallet code is out there somewhere hidden in the blockchain, and it's some kind of hidden message. If you do, start doing your research and maybe you'll figure it out and you'll have access to 1 million Bitcoin. That would be insane. That would be like the friggin', I don't know. You'll be the Sherlock Holmes of the century or something. I have no idea. But yeah, let's talk about it. Discuss it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching as always. Smash the like. What do you think about this Satoshi wallet situation and this situation over here with the German police not having access to the Bitcoin, but they have the wallet? And Nigeria, I'm sorry, not Bill Miller. Don't care too much about it, but Nigeria going peer-to-peer now. Let's talk about it in the comment section. Smash the like, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and stay away from the scammers in the comments. I'm out. Peace.